Welcome to Online Shopping with Viatran. Here, you will have access to ordering all Viatran parts, from pressure transmitters and transducers to connectors and cable assemblies to process meters, all to optimize your application. Our goal is to make ordering and reordering products as easy as possible. On the Viatran e-commerce site, you have the ability to order products directly from our website. You are able to search for products in multiple ways. The search bar in the upper right-hand corner allows for specific part numbers to be entered. The product categories on the homepage allow for easy navigation to find what you need. When selecting products to add to your cart, you can add products as a favorite to review them later. To review the products you have saved, click on the Favorites section on the website header. If there are any specific orders you often place, you can save the entire cart for easy reordering in the future. When reviewing your cart, enter in a name in the Save Cart As field and click Save. Any saved carts can then be found and reordered in the Saved Carts section. Saved carts can easily be removed by clicking the red X next to the listing. The checkout page will be pre-populated from your customer record. In the shipping section, you can request a specific ship date, select partial or complete shipping, select shipping method, and enter a freight account for shipping charges. In the payment information section, you can attach invoice information or credit card information. Review your order for details and click the Submit Order button in the lower right-hand corner. Upon submission, you and our support team will receive an order confirmation receipt via email. Once we have confirmed a ship date from our warehouse, you will receive a final order acknowledgement email. The My Account section will give you access to your complete order history. If you have been a standing Viatran customer, it will include all order information from your account, even before using our e-commerce platform. You will have 24/7 access to invoice details, shipping details, and full customer statements. You will also be able to see all previous sales orders, the date an order was placed, and the status of an order. Using the Viatran e-commerce site saves you time and streamlines the ordering process. Order the products you need at your convenience with full access to all your order history and shipping information. For more information, visit shop.viatran.com.